Hello, this is lesson 21 for third grade. Today we'll start by completing the chart. So, number one, or the first one, we're finding multiples of 3. So number 1, we have 3 times 0, which is 0. Number 2, we have 3 times 1, which is 3. Number 3, we have 3 times 3, which is 9. Number 4, we have 3 times 5, which is 15. Number 5, we have 3 times 6, which is 20, 3 times 6, which is, sorry, not 20, 18. Number 6, we have 3 times 8, which is 24. Then we have multiples of 8. So number 1, we have 8 times 0, which is 0. Number 2, we have 8 times 2, which is 16. Number 3, we have 8 times 4, which is 32. Number 4, we have 8 times 5, which is 40. Number 5, we have 8 times 7, which is 56. And then number 6, we have 8 times 9, which is 72. Next, complete each table. So the first table is multiply by 6. So 6 times 6 is 36. We're going to multiply each of these numbers by 6. So 4 times 6 would be 24, and 9 times 6 would be 54. And then we have multiplied by 7, so 8 times 7, which is 56. And then 5 times 7, which is 35. And then 6 times 7, which is 42. Then we have multiply by 8. So 7 times 8 is 56, and 9 times 8 is 72, and 6 times 8 is 48. Next, find the product. So number 1, we have 7 times 2, which is 14. Number 2, we have 9 times 6, which is 54. Number 3, we have what equals 5 times 9. 5 times 9 is 45. Number 4, we have 7 times 4, which is 28. Number 5, we have what equals 7 times 7? 49. Okay, let's skip to number 8. 4 times 1 equals 30 minus 2. 30 minus 2 equals 28, so 4 times 7. 4 times 7 equals 28. And then number 9, we have 8 plus 6 equals 7 times what? What is 8 plus 6? 8 plus 6 is 14, so 7 times 2. Let's skip to number 11, 40 minus 4, which is 36 equals what times 6? 6 times 6. Okay, now we're gonna do word problems. So number 1, if there are 8 instructors with 5 swimmers each, how many children are taking lessons? So 8 instructors times 5 swimmers each. So how many children are taking lessons? We'll multiply that, which is equal to 40. So 40 children are taking lessons. Number 2, each instructor teaches a group of 6 children. If there are 7 instructors, how many children are taking swimming lessons? So that's 6 children times 7 instructors. And how many children are taking swimming lessons? So we multiply that. When we get 42 children are taking lessons. And number 3, David has a pack of 7 basketball cards and 16 extra cards. How many cards does he have in all? So he has 5 packs of 7 basketball cards and 16 extra cards. So we'll multiply 5 packs times 7 basketball cards, because there are 7 in each pack. So we multiply that and we get 35. And then we add 16 extra cards. And we'll get 51. And then number 4, lastly, we have the word double means twice as many. A double scoop is 2 scoops of ice cream. What number is the double of 8? So if it's twice as many, I guess we could say it's 8 times 2. So that means 8 times 2 is double of 8. So 8 times 2 is 16. So 16 is the double of 8. Let's do one more problem from finding the product, or a couple more. Number 6, we have 6 times 3, which would be 18. And let's do number 10. We have 5 times what equals 30 minus 5. 30 minus 5 is 25. So 5 times what is 25? That would be 5 times 5. And then number 12, we have 7 plus 5 equals 4 times what? 7 plus 5 is 12. So that means 4 times 3 would be 12. And we could do number 7 also. 6 times 7 6 times 7 equals what plus 21? So 6 plus 7 is 42. So what plus 21 would be 42? We can subtract it. 42 minus 21, and we can get it 21. So it has to be 21 plus 21 equals 6 times 7. Thank you for watching.